Welcome to QuickBooks Online 2023 for beginners. In 10 minutes, Ionian Account Management will teach you a basic navigational knowledge of QuickBooks Online 2023. We have a lot to cover, so we suggest you pause to take notes, review the video as needed, and visit our website, which is listed in the end, as well as our link below, to download the video for free, as well as other QuickBooks videos and cheat sheets. So let's start by visiting QuickBooks Online, a well-known cloud-based accounting software by Intuit, which is an American company, but used internationally. This software is designed specifically for small businesses and enables you to record, categorize, and store all of your business transactions in a single location. There are several QuickBooks Online versions: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. By clicking our affiliate link below, you can try these different versions for free or at a discounted rate, while learning the product differences to identify which product you may be using or planning to use. Now would be a good time to pause the video to learn the differences of product plans QuickBooks has to offer and to decide if you want to open a free QuickBooks Online account to use for guidance during this tutorial. You may find it helpful to have a practice file to test your knowledge in the future. The main distinctions between the different product plans are a matter of inventory workflows, reporting tools, and the number of user capabilities. For businesses dealing with physical products, QuickBooks Online Plus is necessary for inventory management and profit tracking by project. Advanced is tailored for medium-sized businesses, providing up to 25 users, role-based access customization, batch invoicing, automated workflows, and advanced analytics. All versions are cloud-based and can run on any browser, whether you're using a Mac or a PC. You have the flexibility to upgrade or downgrade at any time. The QuickBooks Online dashboard showcases your company name and logo. Let's explore QBO 2023 with an example file Intuit provides. Craig's Design and Landscaping Services, a sample company. The navigation bar on the left includes a new button for most day-to-day tasks and reports. If you need more space, you can hide the navigation tool by clicking on the three lines at the top. The top right corner houses My Experts, Help, Search, the notification bell, Settings, and a link to your Intuit account. The Business Overview section displays summaries of your invoices, expenses, profit and loss, sales, and bank balances. You can use the Privacy button to hide sensitive data. To start using QuickBooks Online, familiarize yourself with the buttons at the top. You can invite your accountant by clicking on My Experts, or if you're managing it yourself, you can ignore this. The Help button brings up the QuickBooks Assistant bot for basic questions, reaching a human, or browsing frequently asked questions. The Search button displays your most recent transactions, and you can find older ones and make changes if necessary. The Settings button is crucial for first-time users to set things up. In Settings, there are three main columns: Your Company, Lists, and Tools. Under Your Company, you can add a logo, change your company name, add your employer identification number or social security number for taxes, select a tag based on your company type, choose an industry, and add your business contact information. You can also check your usage limits, customize your sales and expenses, and adjust your advanced settings. Under Manage Users in Settings, you can add people to your QuickBooks account. Different user types provide different access levels. The Chart of Accounts displays a complete list of all your business accounts. Be careful with this, as these accounts should be tailored to your business. If you're new to bookkeeping, I recommend getting help from an accountant. QuickBooks Labs allows you to turn on plugins like QuickBooks themes, including dark mode. Under the List column, you can manage all the products and services that you sell and check your recurring transactions to see what's scheduled to be paid each month. In the Tools menu, you can order business checks, import data into QuickBooks from Excel or Google Sheets, or import QuickBooks desktop data if you're switching. There's also an option to reconcile your accounts, add a budget, and see the audit log, which tracks user activity. Smart Look/Resolution are here. The navigation bar includes a new button for creating things for customers, vendors, employees, and other day-to-day work tasks. For instance, if you sell something to a customer, you might need to create an invoice. You can select one of your regular customers from the drop-down menu, select what you sold them, Pick the quantity and rate. Add in the sales tax or discount if necessary, and save and send. QuickBooks will generate the invoice for you and email it directly to your customer. You can record purchases using expenses or bills. Use expenses if you've already paid for a good or service. Enter the amount, what you paid with, attach the receipt to keep things organized, and save and close. Alternatively, you can snap your receipt on your phone using the QuickBooks app to scan it directly into the system. Use bills for situations where you buy something and haven't made the payment yet. The form looks similar to the expenses one, but this time you need to enter the terms and a due date. Fill out the details, attach a copy of the bill and any other support, and then hit save or save and schedule the payment. Under the Employees column, you can manage your payroll and fill out timesheets. In the Other column, you can post journal entries, which are a bit technical, so only mess with IT. If you are a professional, the reporting tools and audit logs, which are great tools to check your work, are not generally functions for a beginner, and unless you are key personnel, stick to these basics and view our other videos on those topics once your understanding is a bit more solid of GAAP. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and visit our website in the link below to download these videos for free, as well as free QBO resources to help you. Go kick ass!